Sattar, you got me helpless. Looking at your vids and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. Download Pathoma and I'm drowning in it.
I have never been the type to try these study aids. We were at a review with the preview of a tumor stage. Crying cause PPT is feeling like doom. Then you walked in and my heart went boom.
Trying to catch your eye from the side of the lab room. Calmest voice ever, I'm deaf, not immune. Flip through the slides, I see starry skies. Grab my partner and whisper, you ask my guy. Ooh.
My partner made their way across the room to you, and I got nervous thinking, what's he gonna do?
They show you all the slides, I'm thinking I'm through. Then you look back at me and suddenly I'm helpless. Look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. Download Pathoma and I'm drowning in it. Helpless into you. Look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. Download Pathoma and I'm drowning in it. Da, 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 da.